So just awkwardly trying to position it so you won't see the addresses. But 好久不见，你最近还好吗？ Alright, wow, cute. First of all, a candy slipped out. I'll need that tonight. And oh, I love her like colorful, vintage looking designs that she has on her washi tape, on her products, on her card. Oh. Hey Lucy. Oh, and she uses one of these book pins for the note. Definitely going into my journal. Oh. But yeah, let's see what's in the happy mail. I have one of these cat stickers too. They're so adorable. Alright, let's just let the candy fall out. Tea. I love her tea bags. They're so amazing. They're so cute, and then like it's just fun to get tea from different countries and you know try them in the packaging. You can always like preserve them, so I'll definitely do that. What else is here? Oh my goodness, amazing packaging as always. But here's the cat. That's me today for sure. So some candies, and I have a feeling this is like her recent her own handmade pigment paint again, which is really lovely. So let's do that first, shall we? Great, I lost my scissor. Oh, here it is. It's so pretty. I don't want to open it. Can I take a screenshot here? Let me take a screenshot. Oh, wow. Before I break through this whole thing. It's too precious. The lace that goes into the packaging. This is how I'm going to preserve it. I'm going to open the back and keep the front. Whoa. 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 Trying to. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, she didn't. It is amazing. Look at these beautiful, beautiful washi tapes. These are what I was talking about, her original designs. Oh. She worked with a illustrator, I believe, and came out with these beautiful watercolor sequences that utilizes her own like handmade paint and pigment, and you can like absolutely see the texture of it on like watercolor paper, which is like one of the cool things about it. And then I think these are her own vintage collection. So these three are the watercolor series. And let me see. Yeah, these are the vintage pattern series. So here we have these. Wow. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It really like has a different style and theme than what like the Japanese washi tape usually displays. So these are definitely more for mix and matches, collaging, and all that. And I admire her so much in regards to her packaging. Look at this. I'm like, I want to save this entire piece, even though this one kind of fell apart. I want to save this entire piece for the Hobonichi page, to be honest. So let me just kind of move that away here. And now for the highlight. This is another highlight I can't wait to see. So last time she gave me a custom watercolor palette last year, and it's these 5 colors. It's got like a really earthy theme to it, which I really like and enjoy, and they kind of like sparkle too, kind of clay like. So I paired it with 3 colors from Daniel Smith, with like it's super pigmented and vibrant, and color it kind of like goes together. So that's how I've been adapting it, but let's see what's in here. Oh wow, her packaging is just super amazing. She utilizes her washi tape, she utilizes wrapping paper, lots of strings. That's definitely one thing I'm trying to like learn how to be better at, you know, just packaging in general. I'll try to save this later and then upload it onto my YouTube so you can kind of like review the whole unboxing process again. So I'm like really breaking through the bottom, trying to preserve the top. Oh my goodness, another one. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow. Oh, one of the magnets fell down, but I can solve that. Wow. So the color this time, it's very interesting. There's like this super vibrant orange, an evergreen green, the clay color. I think this must be another kind of green, and then the shimmery silvery color. I'll definitely have to do a swatch later. But yeah, wow, what a happy mail. Thank you, London Gifties, and I'll share this on my YouTube. Thanks for watching.